Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, lived a tiny, fluffy creature named Bushbaby. Bushbaby was not a monkey, nor a squirrel, but a special creature all on its own. Bushbaby loved exploring the forest, climbing trees, and playing hide-and-seek with the wind. But one day, something unusual happened. Bushbaby woke up to find his favorite tree house missing. He looked around, but it was nowhere to be seen. Bushbaby felt a pang of sadness. Determined to find his tree house, Bushbaby asked the forest animals for help. The birds in the trees, the rabbits in the meadows, and even the wise old tortoise, all joined Bushbaby on his quest. They searched high and low, under the tallest trees and behind the sturdiest rocks. They even asked the river if it had seen anything, but it just flowed along, seeming as if it didn't know either. Just when Bushbaby was about to lose hope, they heard a rustling sound. It was coming from a hidden corner of the forest. Excited, they ran towards the sound. There, hidden behind a thick bush, was Bushbaby's treehouse. It seemed to have been pushed aside, but it was intact. Bushbaby's heart filled with joy. The forest animals cheered for Bushbaby, and he thanked them for their help. From that day forward, Bushbaby made sure to keep his treehouse safe, and the forest animals continued to be his cherished friends. And so, Bushbaby learned that with the help of friends, even the direst situations can have a happy ending. And every night, as he snuggled in his treehouse, he would remember the day he found his home, and the true meaning of friendship.